students, today the topic is circulatory system. What is circulatory system? The system which transport or circulates different types of material in the body is called circulatory system. The human circulatory system composed of body fluids and blood vessels. Body fluids and blood vessels. The human circulatory system composed of body fluids, blood vessels and hearts. So first of all, today we know about body fluids. The body fluids is also known as blood. You all of generally saw the blood in the daily life when any wounds occurs in the body. So, how you can define what is bloods or body fluids? Blood क्या है? It is a fluid connective tissue. It is a fluid connective tissue. It circulates in the body with the help of certain blood vessels. The pH of blood is generally basic. Its value is 7.4. It composed of mainly two components. Number one, plasma, and second is blood cells. Plasma and blood cells. So first of all, we know plasma. What is plasma? Plasma is a fluid. It is a 55% to 60% of the blood. It is a extracellular STRW, generally yellowish. Extracellular fluids. It composed of 90% water and 10% organic and inorganic substance and some specific proteins. Functions of plasma. Plasma काम क्या करता है बॉडी में? It helps in the transportation of foods, transportation of oxygen, transportation of medicines, and transportation of some specific products. Plasma also contains some specific protein, that is fibrinogen, albumin, and various types of minerals, elements, that is calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, etc. It composed of fibrinogen, so it helps in the coagulation of blood. It composed of globulin, which form the immune system of the body. Then various functions are completed by the plasma in our Next, blood cells. It is a 40% of the blood. It is three types. RBC, WBC, and third is platelets. First, RBC, red blood cells. In other words, it is also known as erythrocytes. Erythrocytes. The RBC generally found in the red color because it composed of hemoglobin, which is a red in color. It composed of heme protein. The RBC lifespan is 120 days. It number in our blood is generally 50 lakh 55 lakhs. Functions: it transport oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. The structure of RBC is spherical. It does not compose of nucleus. In some exception, llama, camels composed of nucleus, but in human, nucleus are not present in the RBC. WBC, white blood cells. White blood cells are known as leukocytes. It is colorless, based on presence or absence of nucleus. It is three types: neutrophils, two types mainly, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Agranulocytes. Granulocytes, the WBC, which composed of granules in their cytoplasm, is called granulocytes. Granules means particles or particles. Small particles are present in the cytoplasm of the WBC. It is three types: neutrophils, acidophils, basophils, first neutrophils, the WBC which does not stain by any dyes. इस टाइप की WBC को कोई भी कलर नहीं कर सकता, कोई भी कलर एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करता. It is a phagocytic in nature and it forms the immune system of the body. Acidophils, the WBC which are stained by the acidic dye. It is a anti-allergic and phagocytic, kills the germ and form the immune system of the body. Basophils, the WBC which are stained by the basic dye is known as basophils. It is also phagocytic and anti-allergic from the immune system of the body. Granulocytes are granulocytes. It is two types. Monocytes and lymphocytes. Lymphocytes. Monocytes, it is the largest cell of the human body. It is composed of kidney-shaped nucleus. It is anti-allergic and kills the germs and form the immune system of the body. Lymphocytes, it composed of polymorphic nucleus and phagocytic in nature and form the immune system of the body. Then overall, we observe that the WBC main function of in the body to kill the germ and protect infection to our body. In other words, it forms the immune system of the body. Next, platelets. The lifespan of WBC, generally 1 to 4 days. But some can live month, 6 months, exceptional. Platelets. The platelets is known as thrombocytes. It forms the bone marrow by megakaryocytes process. The structure is plate-like, so its name is platelets. It helps in the clotting of bloods. The numbers in humans is generally 1,50,000 to 3,50,000. The numbers of WBC generally 7,000 to 8,000. So we know what is the blood cell, type of blood cell, and their lifespan, their function,